Happy Friday, guys. Just a quick video for you today. Please invest the 8 minutes or so with me. I'd really appreciate it. You know, I kind of equate YouTube to the movies. You know, you're not going to watch the first 15 minutes of a movie and you know, badmouth the entire picture, right? That's what a lot of people tend to do on YouTube, is they don't watch the entire video and then they assume things. So, you know, I implore you guys, if you start watching one of these, watch it till the end. That way you get the entire picture of what I'm talking about, not just a snippet. A lot of people will just watch a small portion and then quickly make a comment that's totally ignorant or totally false. So watch till the end. I implore you to, and that goes along with the videos too. Not to try to drive up the watch time or anything like that, but it just kind of gives you a better understanding of the entire picture of what I'm trying to create here. And it'll save you a lot of time, a lot of me having to respond to dumb comments and dumb ignorant statements that hold no water. So anyway, enjoy today's video, guys. I look forward to doing many more of these. I'll be back out with Saturday video out in the field for you tomorrow. I got a couple service calls, so enjoy the video, guys. Good afternoon, guys. Happy Friday. I didn't do anything too interesting today. Just a quick little, and you're going to laugh at me because I'm already got some shit from some other people about installing these internet mini splits, but I'll tell you, there's a market for it and somebody has to do it. And as long as they pay me my full price to do it, I'm going to keep doing it. Had good results with the Mr. Cool I just finished for a gentleman, and you know, it's all he could afford. So that's what I did. Today was a Senville ductless. You know what's going to be next? Cooper and Hunter, or whatever they call that one. I know there's probably 100 other ones out there, but yeah, I went out and did another mini split for a customer that's all they could afford. So that's what I did. So I want to be prepared for this little chat here, so I took some notes, and I got my comments up here on the old computer. I just want to address some more kind of ridiculous comments that I've gotten here in the last week or two, mainly in the last week. And, you know, looking down at my notes, it kind of makes me laugh, but it is what it is. So anyway, let's start at the top here. Oh, so I just want to mention the channel's doing well. I'm gaining quite a bit of subscribers lately, more so than usual, and I appreciate that. You guys probably like the dramatic stuff more if I'm bad-mouthing somebody, or they're bad-mouthing me, or there's some sort of animosity, because that tends to you know, boost traffic. But I'm trying to keep away from that. I'd rather this just be a HVAC learning channel, and that kind of leads me to my first comment here that a guy made. Something along the lines of, I must still be learning the trade, and I should go install another Mr. Cool. Okay, I will, no problem. No, what he mentioned was on a video, and I think he just watched one of the shorts, like a minute long. He didn't watch the entire video, and it was a part. I was showing the pressures on the heating side of this heat pump, and it was a R22 system, and I think I still had my digital gauges on 410. So what? I was just checking the pressures. I wasn't doing anything else. I don't care if it was R777, R666, you know, who gives a crap? I was just checking the pressures. I'm not looking at superheat. I'm not looking at subcooling. I'm not looking at any of that other stuff. I was strictly checking pressures. So get out of here with that crap. You guys want to go on and just troll and insult? It's the wrong channel. Go somewhere else. You know, give some of the other guys shit. I don't really care. Don't be ridiculous. So there's that, and then the video I have about the line set vibration issues. You know, everybody's an armchair quarterback. Everybody's got a fix. You know, these are complex issues, and there's not a one size fits all. One guy asked if I deburred my pipe, which I did, And he says that'll cause it. And I'm like, well, that's not what it was. He goes, read your pipe fitter's handbook. And I'm like, well, dude, this is one system out of thousands I've installed. It's the first one I've had this issue. And honestly, you're not there. It's not that loud, man. It's really not that loud. It's just a customer that wants it a certain way, and I'm trying to help him with that. Does it hum and vibrate a little bit? Sure, but I mean, it's a mechanical piece of equipment. It's going to vibrate, and you know, it's how quiet can we make it? I already installed those vibration absorbers, which didn't do much according to the customer. I thought they did. Next thing I'm going to try is I'm going to try to do something internally inside of the heat pump itself and try to keep the vibration from coming off the compressor. So I'm going to go back there very soon and try to address that, and I'll take you along with me. So, another thing the guy said was, you know, read your pipe fitter's handbook. You shouldn't be burying line sets in walls. You do what you got to do. Customer wants his indoor equipment in a certain spot, and he wants his outdoor equipment in a certain spot. So they're going to be inside walls. They're going to be inside floors. They're going to be inside wherever to accommodate. And like I said, this is a 1 in a million problem. So, you know, if the pipe fitter's handbook says don't put line sets in walls, then it's not. They've never worked in the real world. So let's leave it at that. What other problems were we having? Yeah, I mean, notes. Oh, I also wanted to say, you know, you guys are making comments on the little shorts. Watch the entire videos, because when I'm doing these snippets of entire videos, just to kind of bring more traffic to the videos. So if you only watch the little shorts, you're not really getting the full picture. So, you know, there's a lot of uneducated comments that come from that. So, you know, take the time, watch the entire video, and then you will have a better picture of really what's going on. And, you know, I only show, you know, my videos on a day-to-day basis are anywhere from 8 to 10 to 15 minutes. I got some longer ones out there. But you're getting a very small sample. I can't, you know, if I were to record my whole day, nobody's going to sit down and watch an 8-hour video. So keep that in mind. That not everything is on those videos. There's a lot missing. But I try to explain myself the best I can. So, and lastly, I want to talk about the live streams. I'll probably do them for fun, just to chat with people and stuff. But as far as the giveaways, I'm gonna halt that for now. I'm just not getting enough interest in that. You know, all I wanted to do was get 50 entries, and then I was gonna give this stuff away. But man, I was having a hard time getting. I think I got 6 sitting on 16 right now, and that was after like 3 live streams. So too much time invested and not enough interest for me to continue to do the live streams in that manner. I'm just going to do them as a fun, you know, take a shot if somebody says this, or have a beer or whatever. That'll be more fun for me to you know, pressure people, and then it won't have to be subscribers only mode to comment. I'll take that off of there, and we'll just have fun. Maybe I'll do one tonight. I'll have a couple beers and we'll do a live stream tonight. We will see. Actually, I'll put it in there. Let's plan on doing one tonight at 6. What the heck? Pacific time. So anyway, just wanted to address a few things, and you know, let you know that I hope this channel keeps growing. I really enjoyed doing the HVAC videos. If there's anything else you guys would like to see, let me know. I'm open. You know, YouTube is a community of people that are viewing it, not the people that are behind the camera. And that's another thing too. The guys that are, you know, making these comments, where are your videos? You know, everybody's a critic, but you know, I'm putting myself out there and making these videos, and I'm trying to do it to help people mainly, and to have a little bit of fun with HVAC. So, you know, you want to come on and troll and be a know-it-all and sling insults or whatever you want to do. If that's the way you want to live your life, I'm sorry for you, because that's a sad life to live. So, anyway, to all you that are positive and make positive comments, I really appreciate it. Life is all about positivity. The negative stuff I can do without. So, on that note, I appreciate everybody on here for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, the whole 9 yards. I'll see you on the next one.